Be patient. If you can't find a good setup, you don't have to trade. I relied on luck. If you are disciplined, the market will reward you.
Hi Robert, how are you?
I'm fine.
Good to hear. Could you introduce yourself to the community? Tell us a little about yourself, how long you've been trading, where you live, are you full-time, part-time?
Yes, my name is Robert. I'm from Kenya. I've been trading for, let's say, I started about 11 years ago. That's when I got to know about Forex. I attended some course in, basic course in baby pips and in the internet. And then I started trading live maybe after a month after that. Basically, I relied on luck rather than skill.
Okay.
I could place one trade, sell, and one buy at the beginning of the month, and then see which one will win. And then let's say, about 5 years ago, I began to take trading seriously. I got to know about another strategy, the market makers strategy. And I also researched on YouTube and read many ebooks, many articles concerning Forex. I got an understanding of the market structure, about support and resistance, smart money concept, candlestick patterns, liquidity, about trading psychology. Then I tried starting my own strategies, many strategies. But my biggest challenge was capital, because every time I tried to trade, I could not succeed because the capital was small. It got blown every time.
Yeah.
Until I learned about that you can get funded. I tried out different prop firms until I got to learn about FundedNext.
So they helped you out with the capital. They funded you. Are you passed? Did you pass an evaluation challenge with them?
With other prop firms, no.
No. Okay, so
it was difficult.
You're still in the evaluation period with FundedNext?
Yes, I'm still doing my, thank God it's unlimited. I can use as much time as possible.
Okay, so you're taking the Stellar Challenge or the Express account?
I take this Express account. I like it because you get paid while you're doing the challenge. You get 15%.
Yes, correct. Yes. Okay. So you trade FX. Any particular pairs in particular?
I only majorly on the major pairs.
Just the major dollar
US
pairs.
current, major dollar pairs. And also I've been trying US 30.
Okay. So what is your strategy? What is your main strategy? How do you look for an entry and an exit?
The main strategy is usually I get to know that every day there's a reversal. The low, where the prices go to the low of the day or the high of the day. And usually I look for reversals. I look for patterns and the candlestick patterns and for entries. Usually, and I also use the moving averages so that I know where the trend is going.
Okay, so indicator-wise, you use moving averages. Anything else?
I think mainly moving averages. I look for support and resistance, but majorly moving averages.
Okay, and you mentioned smart money concepts. Do you use any of those in your trading?
No, I just I just look at the structure
Okay.
of the candles. I don't rely on indicators so much, apart from moving average.
Just moving averages. Okay. So are you a day trader or a swing trader?
I'm a day trader.
Day trader. So quick trades on a lower time frame.
Yes. Yes. Mostly I enter a trade and come out rapidly when I get a profit. I'm a scalper generally.
Yeah.
And sometimes I can hold up to maybe 1-to-1 risk reward ratio.
1-to-1. Okay.
Yeah.
And how much of the account are you risking per trade?
About 1%. I don't
1%.
risk more than 1%.
Sure. Yeah. Okay. Wise.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you remember your first trade?
Wow, that was many years ago. I did not know what I was doing. The market was so confusing. Yes.
You've learned a lot since.
I lost in seconds. I lost my account in seconds.
Yeah, I can imagine. Yeah, it's a dangerous game if you don't know what you're doing.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you trade any particular sessions? Do you focus on London or New York?
I focus on London session.
London. Okay. Is that because of
on the first 15 minutes where the volatility is high? Okay. I focus mainly on the opening of the London session.
The London Open. Okay. Is that because it suits your time zone? Whereabouts are you in the world?
Yeah, that contributes because it's usually in the morning hours in my region.
Okay. Where do you live?
I live in Kenya. On the outskirts of Nairobi.
Okay. Yes. Very nice. Okay. So you've told us a little about your strategy. You're a price action reader. You use moving averages. You're entering on a lower time frame, 1-to-1. So any tips on what you're looking for? What's your entry model?
Usually I look at the price and to break when it reaches a support level, I look at the pattern for confirmation. I look at the candles. If there's an engulfing candle, that tells me that surely the price will reverse. Because just support levels are not enough, and resistance level, you just have to get the confirmation.
Sure. So you're looking for a confluence of things, confluence of support levels, demand levels, and then you read the price action and you wait for some kind of expansion, some kind of engulfing candle. Okay. So how do you identify your supply and demand zones? Usually,
I just draw the line. I start from larger time frames. I look at where the prices show some resistance, where the prices touches and bounces away, and then I go to lower. I can start from 4 hour going downwards up to 15 minutes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So you look at previous price action and you look for where price was supported. Okay. Okay. Very good. Okay. Do you journal your trades? Do you have a process in place to backtest and journal?
Yeah, usually I journal my trade because it helps me to review trades and to learn from my mistakes, and also to plan on how to improve. Usually write down, usually at the end of the day after my trading, I have to go through every trade I took. And if I made a mistake, I have to learn where exactly I went against my rules.
So how did journaling help you with that? How did it help you?
It helps me improve on my strategy, adjust on my strategy, and make better decisions in trade. as I go on.
Okay, good stuff. We talked about risk management. 1-to-1, you risk 1% of your account. How do you deal with drawdown when you do take a loss? Do you have what is your process? What rules do you have in place so you don't fall too far into drawdown? Because obviously the account has a strict drawdown limit. How do you protect that? Have you any particular routine, any rules?
Yes, the account has got the daily drawdown. I'm very careful not to go beyond the daily limit.
Yeah.
So for me, I take a maximum of 3 trades a day. If I lose all of them, that's fine with me. I wait for there'll be another day to trade. So I have a maximum amount of trades that I take on a daily basis.
Okay, yes. So maximum 3 trades, and if you take 3 losses, then that's it for the day. You close that.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So no revenge trading. No. Okay. All right. Any suggestions to traders out there who are struggling? Any recommendations on what to look at? Any resources or any just books, resources? Any tips you can give them?
The first thing I can tell a trader that is struggling, be patient. If you can't find a good setup, you don't have to trade. Don't just enter a trade just because you fear losing out. Yeah. And then also discipline. If you are disciplined, the market will reward you. And then never give up. Never give up. Keep on trying. You will be happy that you never gave up.
Okay, good advice. Okay, any suggestions to FundedNext, how they could improve the Express account?
I think that they're doing very well. Now we have a non-consistency Express account, and I think it's good. Possibly if you can increase the percentage, we'll be happy. But
yeah, okay. Apart from that, you're happy. You're happy with the trading environment, MT4, MT5. You're happy with the spreads, the slippage.
Yes, I'm happy with everything. The spreads are good. The support is good. I really, you are usually very quick to support and to answer all my questions. And I've got a good, dedicated account manager. It's like a family. Like a family. I get motivated every time to continue trading with you. I'm happy with FundedNext.
Good. Glad to hear it. Excellent. That's good feedback. I'm sure they'll be glad to hear that. Well, thank you, Robert. Thanks for the time. Thank you. Good, nice talking to you. Good luck with your account, and hopefully speak with you again in the future.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having me.